tool review. Well, I'm an idiot. Anyways, I'm here to review this little tool here. I got this tool from Amazon. It's a windshield removal kit made by Boush. I don't know how the hell you pronounce it, but it was super cheap. It was only like 38 bucks or something like that. So let's open it up, see what's inside. So inside this kit, you get one of these. This is what you actually use to cut the windshield out with, and it comes with these nice little blades here. Super easy to use. You have 3 different sizes of them, as you can see right there. 3 different sizes. Now the way these work, basically, there we go, snaps in there like that. Get this up under the glass, so glass is here, body's here. Get that under there. You got this nice handle here. Stabilize it, pull it, and you cut the glue that's underneath it. Now, for the price I paid, it's a pretty damn good little tool. It's one of the first times I've actually ever pulled a windshield out without breaking it. I didn't break my rear window using a steak knife, but it also took a really long time. I wish I would have just spent the money on this. So getting up and around in the little grooves and stuff, these work great for. And then the hard to reach spots, this little blade right here works really good too. So you drop this one in there and you can actually get down in the crevices and cut the glue. There were a couple spots on my Mustang that I had to get to that the glue was laid on pretty thick, and I actually just heated this up a little bit, and it cut through like butter once I heated it up. Just took a little propane torch and heated it up real quick, and it just went right in there, melted the glue out, and made my life a hell of a lot easier using this thing. So this is the kit. As you can see, there's a little bit of a better view of it. You know, you got your 2 scraper, I guess they're kind of like scraper blades, and then your cutting blades in here. I mean, pretty simple kit. For what you pay for it though, I mean, works great. The packaging is kind of janky, but you know, I didn't buy it for the packaging, I bought it for the tool. Now, for some things this tool will work great, for others not so much though, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you why right now. If you have a car that is a trimmed windshield, this won't be as big of an issue. Some people might still think it's an issue. On a trimless windshield like this, it's a little bit more of an issue though, and that's the fact that those steel blades that I was showing you, the angled ones that you get up under here and cut with, they don't have a backing guard on them. So as you can see, some spots it did nick it just a little bit right there, and other spots it gouged the shit out of it. So since it's not backed and doesn't really have any protection on it, for a race car or something that has a trim over it, not that big of a deal. But if this is like your baby, your street car, something like that, something you want to keep pretty, you could possibly still get away with using this tool. You would need to back tape all this and be really super careful, and you could probably get away with doing it. But I mean, I still don't know if I would use it for something like that. I'm not a professional though. I got quoted $150 to pull a windshield. That tool was only like $38, $40 on Amazon. So I just figured, screw it, let's give it a shot, see what it does. Got my windshield out, didn't break it, so that's a good sign. These little scratches, that's all gonna get covered up when I paint the chassis anyways and put the glass back in. So I'm really not worried about it. If I had to give it a rating, I'd probably give it like a 3 out of 5 stars, just because of the whole backing not being protected. Some of the more expensive ones I was looking at actually had a Teflon backing on here to kind of help protect it, but they were far more expensive. For what it does though, it works good, and for a race car or something like this, I definitely recommend it. It's cheap, it's easy, came out super easy actually, surprisingly. beat cutting it with a steak knife like I did my rear window. And yeah, would recommend. Anyways, just a quick little tool review. Haven't done one in a while, and I was impressed by this enough to do a little review on it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one though. So like the video if you liked it. Maybe it'll help you out. Maybe you're trying to save some money, pull a windshield on a race car, and get it done yourself. But yeah, it's gonna be it for this one. So like the video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Follow the builds along. And until the next one, I'll catch you guys later.